Hello everyone! First of all, let's check the inspirational picture from Pinterest. Look at this decoration. Look at the pedestal. Pedestal is very hot item used on decoration field. Look at this. It's special used to decorate the aisle. Look at this. So today's tutorial, I will show you how to assemble the pedestal with our material. I will make the pedestal like this. Okay, let's get things started. Okay, first of all, let's check the material. Look at this board. We have 4 balls and 2 top and bottom ball. One's larger, one a little bit smaller. And this accessory. 2 longer, 2 shorter, and 2 shortest. Okay, I will show you how to assemble the pedestal, and then let's check the quality of the ball. Okay, first of all, we need to take the ball like this. And then another ball. This ball, this one. So, just put this here and put it on this hole will be okay. Look at this. Here and here. And then another ball. Let's just turn it around. Okay. Okay, the last ball. Okay, completed with the body. And then let's make the top and bottom. This smaller one is the bottom, I think. I'm not sure. So we have 3 sides of the accessory. Small, middle, and large. So we will take the small accessory and put it on the board. Okay, and then put the pedestal on top of this one. Okay, and then the top piece. Use the middle side and larger side. The difference is the length. Small, middle, and large, the difference is the length. Okay, completed with the top cover, the top cover. Okay, then let's put on the top cover. Completed. Very easy, right? Let's check the effect. Okay, look, this is our assembled pedestal. This one is 80 cm top, and we have 60 cm and 40 cm top, and also we have 1 meter top, but I'm not going to sell 1 meter top of pedestal because considering of the delivery, in case you buy a lot and ship by ocean. Okay, let's check stable or not. Look at it, very stable, and you can use this pedestal to put on the dessert or cake. There will be no problem if you put any plant, cake or dessert. No problem, very sturdy. Okay, I will disassemble this pedestal to show you the shortage of our pedestal, and then for the following tutorial, I will show you how I use this pedestal and my other material to make the decoration, to show you the idea about using it to make the decoration. Like backdrop, like what? If you are interested, you can keep eyes on our channel. Okay then, let's disassemble and check the quality. Okay, talking about the shortage. The big shortage is the material. This board is not wooden board, it's PVC board. In material, the character compared with wooden board, this PVC will be light in weight, but the shortage is will be much more fragile than wooden ball, so it will be much more easy to be damaged compared with wooden ball. So if you interested to buy this pedestal, you need to accept some flaw because it will be fragile. So during the produce and delivery, the ball will be like this, will be crushed like this. Also, look at this one. A little bit, not a little bit, crush a lot. Look at this, crush a lot. And this one, we cannot avoid the damage during produce and delivery. But don't worry, actually, it's very sturdy. Just will be crushed on this place. Don't worry, this ball, listen, very sturdy enough. After you assemble the pedestal, it's very sturdy. Even you put on the cake, even you put on the dessert or any decoration on the top of the pedestal, it will be sturdy, no problem. It can afford the weight. But floor is floor, so I have to tell you the floor. But the advantage of the pedestal is light in weight and assemble pedestal, so it will help you to save place and very easy for the delivery. This is the wanted and sorted, so you can compare the wanted and sorted and compare the price. The price is good, I think. I'm not sure. So you can compare the sorted price and the wanted. So if you are interested to buy this pedestal from me, you need to accept the flaw. If you can't accept the flaw, please don't buy, because we cannot avoid the flaw. But anyway, the come out effect is pretty. You can consider before order. If you are interested to buy, you can inbox me via Facebook page. Find the link on the information field. Okay, this is today's tutorial. And for the following tutorial, I will show you the idea about using this pedestal. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye bye.